Kia Sportage, fuses, engine compartment fuse panel, battery terminal cover. Notice: not all fuse panel descriptions in this manual may be applicable to your vehicle. It is accurate at the time of printing. When you inspect the fuse panel in your vehicle, refer to the fuse panel label. Main fuse. If the main fuse is blown, it must be removed as follows. 1. Turn off the engine. 2. Disconnect the negative battery cable. 3. Remove the nuts shown in the picture above. 4. Replace the fuse with a new one of the same rating. 5. Reverse these steps to reinstall the main fuse. Notice: the electronic system may not function correctly even when the engine compartment and internal fuse box's individual fuses are not disconnected. In such case, the cause of the problem may be disconnection of the main fuse, BFT type, which is located inside the positive battery terminal, plus, cap. Since the main fuse is designed more intricately than other parts, have the vehicle checked by an authorized Kia dealer. Caution: visually inspect the battery cap to ensure it is securely closed. If the battery cap is not securely closed, moisture may enter the system and damage the electrical components. I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.